Hello everyone, Happy New Year. So it's first day of the year and we are really prepared and we are very welcoming to 2026. So we are claiming breakthrough, abundance, prosperity, good health, peace of mind, and more connections, more friendships, and more explorations with business. So lahat ng yan ay kiniklaim natin sa taong 2026. We will be more helpful sa mga tao na magkaroon ng reunification sa kanilang pamilya. Kaya naman sa lahat ng nagpaplano ngayong taon na umuwi ng Pilipinas, feel free to connect with me. Pinay in Canada or Celine Constantino is my personal account. So you can contact me at 306-231-9586. We are offering installment ticket or flexible payment plans. Yun yung Fly Now Pay Later. So it's my first vlog for the year. I wanted to be lively. I wanted to be sassy this time for the year 2026 para naman maging lively din yung pasok ng taon sa atin at maging positive. Kumbaga, we attract what we put into our minds. 'Di ba? So, sa lahat ng naging client ko ng 2025, I'd like to take this chance to thank each and every one of you for choosing me as your travel agent and for trusting your family's flight with me. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at nawa sa lahat ng bago dito sa page ko at sa lahat ng recommendations, nakakakita at nakakabasa ng aking mga vlogs at ng aking mga marketing or promotions or lahat ng aking ine-endorso. Salamat sa inyong tiwala at kung maghahanap kayo ng travel agent na may malasakit at 100% na hindi kayo lolokohin, feel free to contact or to call me or text me sa number na ibinigay ko kanina. So yun lang. Happy New Year. Maganda ang vibes ng taon na to at claiming ng God's abundant blessings para sa ating lahat. So yun lang. Happy New Year po and thank you so much.